Hello everyone, Sage here. You're watching the trending news on Kalkine TV. And as Australia braces for heavy rains and flood, let's understand how to receive additional Commonwealth financial assistance for flood victims in the state of Queensland and New South Wales. We will look at the steps to apply for it. And authorities in Australia issued new evacuation orders for thousands of Sydney residents on Thursday after torrential rains caused flash floods in the country's largest metropolis, with officials warning that the situation might become worse. And over the past week, a catastrophic weather system has pounded the country's east coast, cutting off entire towns and submerging hundreds of homes and farmland as it swept south from Queensland. On Thursday, Sydney and some surrounding areas are expected to receive a month's worth of rain. And recently, the Australian government announced that from 9 a.m, March the 1st, residents in 26 flood-affected local government districts throughout Queensland and New South Wales can apply for Commonwealth financial assistance through Services Australia. Affected Queensland citizens can be found in the local government regions of Brisbane, Fraser Coast, Gold Coast, Ipswich, Lockyer Valley, Logan, Moreton Bay, Noosa, Redland, Scenic Rim, Somerset, South Burnett, Southern Downs, Sunshine Coast, as well as Toowoomba. And the local government areas of Ballina, Bellingen, Byron, Clarence Valley, Coffs Harbour, Kyogle, Lismore, Richmond Valley and Tweed in the northern New South Wales area have also received financial assistance. And these villages join the Gympie and North Burnett local government districts, which are eligible to apply from February 28th for people affected by flooding. The Australian Government disaster recovery payment of $1,000 per eligible adult and $400 per eligible child is now available. The AGDRP is a one-time non-means tested payment provided to qualified people who have experienced a catastrophic loss, such as severely damaged or destroyed property or severe injury in those impacted local government districts. You can claim the grant by taking the following steps. The disaster recovery payment can be applied for online through Centrelink. However, you must first check the Services Australia website for all eligibility requirements. Now, to do so, you will need to link your Centrelink account to your MyGov account. If you need assistance, call Services Australia at 132266 from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m, Monday to Friday, and 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. on the weekends. If you meet the following criteria, you may be eligible for this grant. And at the time of the floods, you were 16 or older, were a permanent resident of Australia or had a valid visa. If you work or live in a local government authority and have been impacted, storms and floods have resulted in a loss of income. In the weeks following your income loss, you earned less than the average Australian weekly salary of $1,737.10. The payment can be claimed by each couple separately. So to be eligible, young individuals between the ages of 16 and 21 must be considered autonomous by Services Australia. There are also some other eligibility requirements, so check the Services Australia website for more information. And well, that's all for now in this edition of Trending News. Please do keep watching Kalkine TV for more of the news and information that matters, and please stay safe. Sage signing off for now.